The Tamil Nadu Assembly on June 19th unanimously passed a resolution opposing Karnataka's proposed Mekedatu Dam project across the Kaveri River. The resolution, moved by Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay, urged the centre not to grant technical or environmental clearances for the project. It also called on the Central Water Commission not to consider Karnataka's detailed project report and sought the constitution of a tribunal to adjudicate the dispute. The resolution received support from all major parties including the DMK, AIADMK, Congress, left parties, PMK, VCK and DMDK, reflecting rare political unanimity on the Kaveri issue. During the discussion, Leader of Opposition suggested incorporating a demand for a tribunal under the Interstate River Water Disputes Act. The amendment was accepted before the resolution was adopted unanimously. The House maintained that both the Kaveri Water Disputes Tribunal and the Supreme Court had ruled that Kaveri is a deficit basin and that its waters have already been allocated among basin states. It argued that no new storage project should be taken up without the consent of all riparian states. Speaking in the assembly, Vijay said all political parties had a responsibility to protect the interest of farmers and the people and called for unity on issues concerning Tamil Nadu's water rights. While Tamil Nadu has consistently opposed the Mekedatu project, Karnataka has maintained that the proposed balancing reservoir is intended to meet Bengaluru's drinking water needs and generate tidal power without affecting Tamil Nadu's share of Kaveri water.